How to schedule a payment with Bank of America Bill Pay. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to schedule a payment with Bank of America Bill Pay. So first thing, just head over to your Bank of America application and make sure you are currently logged into your account. And once you successfully log into your account, just choose the option that is shown on the bottom of your dashboard, that is navigation bar. Simply click on Pay and Transfer option. And once you click on that, you can just choose any of the e-bills or reminders pay button over here, and you can simply tap on pay. And once you do all of that, you can just set out the time and amount and when you want it to be delivered, and your payment type as well as your confirmation. And once you do all of that, just finally tap on done button over here, and you can even download it as a PDF or send it to your email or straight out print it. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.